Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Bas, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to turn this into this. I've noticed a couple weeks ago that making a sphere out of a equirectangular, I hate that word, it's so difficult, an equirectangular picture. If you want to turn that into a sphere, a nice round sphere, it can cost up to $250. I don't have that kind of money. So what did I do? I went out and I started playing around with all kinds of pieces of paper. I started cutting away, I started fixing and fitting, and more fitting, and it worked and it didn't work. It was awful. It was a process of 3 days that I started cutting away. I felt like a little kid cutting in pieces of paper and doing arts and crafts. It was great, away from the tech stuff. So what I come up with is one of these. And the cost, a piece of paper and a color printer. I don't know if you can see it, but back here I have a regular color printer like everyone else has probably. And you can make these little things. It's like a box. You can hang it in the Christmas tree, or you can put a little wedding ring in there, or you can do all kinds of fun stuff. So you take your pictures, your 360 Panorama pictures, print them out, and then use my template to make this little ball out of it. So what I've done in order to help you guys is I've taken a couple of files, I've made the templates, and I've put the links down here so that you can download them, take your picture, and place it on top of the template, cut it out, fold it, and you have this little ball. It's really easy once you have the template, obviously, so it took me 3 days. But basically what I've done is I've taken this template, so I'm gonna put it up on the screen over here, taken this template, and I put it in a PowerPoint and in a Keynote file so that you can download it and use it and edit it the way you want it. All you need to do is take your picture and replace it with the picture that's already in it. Print it, cut it out. It's that easy. So in the PowerPoint, we also have instructions on how to fold it, because there's little things. You can't just fold it flat like this. You have to do all kinds of fun things. Let me grab a good one that I can show you. Here we go. There's one. So here you see in the corners that it's folded in a special way. You see? So that it sort of becomes round. And this one's not a good one because the flaps on top are too short. But this one is. Okay, so basically you need a 2x1 size picture, which is normal for an whatever. It's usual for a picture like that, okay, for a panorama picture. So all you need to do is place it on top. Now, the problem with this is that when you have that picture on top, there's still a little bit left, and on the bottom still a little bit left that you need to either print or not. So what I've done on the template, I've put my logo on there, 360spots.com. So if you get a chance, go look at it. But if you stretch out the picture, it's just not the same. So what you probably can do is take a little cutout where when this goes down here a little bit and it goes up here a little bit, take a little cutout of the picture, duplicate it in Photoshop or in any other paint program, and paste it on top here so that when you fold it up, you also get the top, I think they call it a nadir, and the bottom, okay? But it's not always 100% because it's always a little, it's more than a 2x1. It's a 2x1.2. Okay, so that's where the difference comes in. But I've foreseen some of that stuff in the template so that you can use that and change it whatever way you want. Hope you like it. And if you like this video and you like my idea of this little sphere, printed sphere for a buck, then download the files. And I'd really appreciate it if down here you subscribe to my channel. All right, thanks. Bye.